We have been working on this kind of program for the past 3, 4, 5 years that we've been in government, and we would like to promote and to encourage women's groups wherever they are, that government assistance is readily available to them. The onus is on them to access this assistance through better management of their women's groups, and also in whatever way that is needed, our ministry will provide them that kind of assistance. And this Women Resource Center is providing them with the infrastructure where they could be working from and develop and plan development projects from for the women. Nandalay village is a very big village with a big population. There's more than 500 people living in here, and we have a very strong and active women's group that is here as well. So as a result of their plans, development plans for their group, one of the aims was to have a women's resource center. And not only with the Women's Resource Center, they want also to have a income generating project where the resource center could be used for. So they've gone into producing honey, and we will be helping them with that. They've already started a little bit, so we will expand the equipment that they will need for it. You can see from the response from the people themselves about the kind of assistance that government is providing for them, particularly when they are very much in need of the infrastructure to enable them to live a happier life. So the couple that had their house destroyed by the last cyclone are so overjoyed today, seeing what the government has done, and also a house of such quality that we have seen today. So I was very proud to be able to be part of this housing project in this village.